Everything is on point.
Buy what you want buy, love what you want love, fly anywhere you want fly. Not the lifestyle what you want, my girl. Buy what you want buy, love anywhere you want love, fly anywhere you want fly. That's the lifestyle what you want, yeah.
It's your favorite one, Dammy Krane. First of all, I want to thank God. Then I want to use this medium to apologize to my family, my team, and my fans. You know, I was arrested by the Miami PD for fraud. I do not do fraud, and I do not partake in such activities. It just happened to be that the agent booked my flights with fraudulent cards. You know, my life is all about my music, and that's what I'm all about. You know, I'm sorry I got caught up in this mess. I assure all my fans that it will never happen again. You know, and I want to thank everybody who stood by me throughout this period. May God continue to bless you and protect you all. And me, and to my parents, I want to thank you for your undying love. Please keep supporting me. I promise I'll make you proud. You know, I love you so much. You know, thank you very much. Go strong.
We said, come on, my dear, just left.